Hello and welcome to my video on how to get an A star or level 9 in your Cambridge IGCSE PE exam. Now I'm going to assume that if you clicked on this video your exam is coming up soon, so I'll start off by saying please don't panic. The exam is pretty easy to prepare for when you know how. So here are the fundamentals. Number 1, learn the content, and number 2, practice past questions. That's it, that's all you need to do to prepare for your exam. Let's begin with the first point, making sure you have a decent understanding of the theory content. Now don't worry, you don't need a PhD to comprehend it, and you can find everything you need to on my channel. Just head over to my channel page, click on playlists, and you will find all 11 chapters. Each content video is around 5 minutes long, and there are 55 of them, so to watch the entire syllabus is going to take you about 4.5 hours. Incidentally, this is about the same amount of time it will take you to cover the entire IGCSE biology syllabus on my other channel. Now at this late stage you don't want to be spending too much time on the content, so don't take ages writing notes. The reason for this is that in my opinion the majority of your time should be allocated to practicing past questions and reviewing mark schemes. The reason, and this is the one thing I really want you to take away from this video, is that Cambridge basically asks the same questions on repeat, year after year, paper after paper. Now what this means is that if you practice enough past papers, you can literally walk into your exam with the mark scheme already in your head. I've taught students in the past who used this memorize all mark schemes approach, and if I remember correctly, one scored 98%, another 97%. Anyway, you get the point. If I were in your position and I only had a few weeks left to study, questions and mark schemes is how I'd spend my time. So where to get what you need? Option 1. I'll leave a link in the description to a website where you can download full past papers and mark schemes. Option 2. There's a playlist on my channel called Questions, A-Star Answers and Mark Schemes, full of videos in which I break down past questions one chapter at a time. Now the only issue here is that I haven't uploaded anything new for at least a couple of years, so there are no questions from the most recent papers. Finally, option number 3 is to download my paid resource, which contains every single past exam question and mark scheme since 2019. That's 30 papers in total, organised into 11 individual documents, one per chapter. Now what this resource allows you to do, if learning the entire course and then practicing full papers isn't for you, is to revise one chapter at a time and then practice question after question, reviewing the mark schemes as you go. Having all the questions for a particular chapter in one place allows you to see exactly what you need to know and the kind of questions that Cambridge ask time and time again. You can find a link in the description if you want to find out more. Okay, I think that's everything I have to say on how to get an A star in your IGCSE PE exam. Leave a thumbs up if you benefited from this video, and remember to check out my biology channel if you haven't already.